Hey guys, this is C with Atlantic Knife, and today we're going to be doing a review of the Defcon jungle knife called the Agent. We have one in blue and in a pink, like we call them his and hers. So let's go ahead and get started. I took the outside wrapper off already because I'm highly impatient, and we'll open them up and we'll see what we got in here. We have a cleaning cloth. Nice little velvet packaging there. Velvet style, I guess. Nice little blade. We have a, looks like another pivot screw. Pivot cap. Screw for the back and a little tool. I guess in case your pivot screw comes loose, you can replace it. Toss that up there. Go ahead and pull out this one. Get all this stuff out of the way. Same thing in here. Guess it's moved around. The reason we were going to go over these is that, you know, they are titanium handle knives with S35VN blades. And they price it at $109.95. You can't find a under $100, well, just over $100 knife with titanium handle and an S35VN blade for anywhere near that price. So I thought we'd take a look at them and see how they worked. Go over a few of the specs here at the beginning. It's about 9 inches overall. Has a 4-inch S35VN black finish blade. Has a blue anodized or pink anodized titanium handle. That'll be a 6AL4V titanium. Marble style carbon fiber inlay. It is tip-up carry. Looks like it's right carry, so left-handers, you know it always happens to 10% of you. Has a glass break and a lanyard hole. It didn't say if the back spacer was titanium. Really, you can't tell by feeling it. I'm guessing that it is, since it is 6AL4V. Wouldn't be much reason to stick anything else in there. The action on it is pretty decent. Actually fairly smooth. Checking the block up. It's locked up there. Don't feel any play there. I don't feel any play there. Pretty good. Not bad looking knife. We'll give you a little close-up of it there. It also has a full blade on the edge. It has a limited lifetime warranty. Of course, it's frame lock. Has cage bearings, so that'll be nice there. Should be easy to keep clean. Should be easy to sharpen too, since it is S35. Let's see how it cuts real quick. We've got some paracord here. We'll bring that out and give it a little test. Cuts pretty smoothly, without much resistance either. Wow, that cut right through that. Let's go over something a little more difficult. Got some jute here. For you guys that don't know, when I'm walking through the house and my wife says, "Can you cut this for me?" It's normally something crafty, like jute, which is kind of like a braided cord. Cut that pretty easy. Then it'll be things like this burlap they use, burlap style. I'm not sure it's actually burlap, but this is stuff they use for crafting. I always like to use stuff you just find basically in the house, because normally we're not taking this knife out on a camping trip, or I'm gonna carry some kind of fixed blade when I do something like that. This is just going to be an everyday use knife. Yeah, I kind of like the pink one also. More partial to the blue one, of course. Nice little knife. Looks like it'll hold up well. If you guys have any questions, drop them at the bottom of the screen. I'll be happy to answer them.